Good morning, students. So, design thinking and innovation, our subject. First unit, introduction to design thinking. So, our first topic, a brief insight to design thinking and innovation. So, in this unit, we like to discuss regarding what is meant by design thinking, why we go for design thinking, what is the need for design thinking, and etc. Okay. So, before that one, so our SNS College of Technology is a first Indian institution to following design thinking curriculum. So we have to proudly say we are design thinkers. Okay, yes. Now identify the animal in the picture. Yes, anyone from first row? Whether it is a elephant or zebra or horse or deer? Yes. Then what are the animals available in this model? Second row, any students? Yes. Okay. So in school days, normally we have to think ourselves. Okay. So on elephant இருக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு strong body. Okay. So compare with dog, it is a big one. Yes. Then what about your zebra? It has long head. Okay. What about your horse? So it is having high speed. Okay. So we have some imagination with ourselves. Okay. So what are the best available in the animals? அதெல்லாம் mix ஆகி ஒரு okay ஒரு animal கிடைச்சு நமக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? So that is our aim. That is our expectations. The same way, if we go for some product means we are having some expectation as a customer point of view. Yes. Now, in third row, yes, blue shade. Now, what about your mobile? Please tell. Yes. So it is a Vivo. Okay. Whether it is your first mobile? No. So what about your first mobile? So you are using Nokia initially. Then go to Samsung basic model. Now you go to the yes, okay, Vivo. Yes. Why you change from mobile 1 then mobile 2 and mobile 3? Yes, the reason is design and the specifications and advanced models are available. Okay, so that is our expectation as a customer. Yes. ஸோ இன்ஹவுஸ் சப்போஸ் அப்பா ஏதாவது மிஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பார் ஒரு பொருளை மேபி உங்கள் ஸ்பெக்ஸ் ஓகே ஆர் ஆஃப் கார் கீயை மிஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பார். ஸோ வாட் ஹி டிட், ஸோ சேம் பிளேஸில் தேடிட்டே இருப்பார். பட் வி ஆர் நாட் ஏபிள் டு கெட் தட் கீ. ஸோ உங்களை கூப்பிடுவார் ஆர் அம்மாவை கூப்பிடுவார். பக்கத்தில் சேம் டேபிள்லேயே இருக்கலாம் ஆர் சோஃபா செட்டில் நியர்பை சோஃபா செட் இட் இஸ் அவைலபிள். பட் ஹி நாட் ஏபிள் டு பிக் தட் ஒன், நாட் ஏபிள் டு ஐடென்டிஃபை தட் ஒன். வாட் இஸ் த ரீசன்? Because we can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking. So we used when we created them. So we need some different kind of thinking. We have to go for the new ideas. Yes. Now, design thinking. Yes. So design thinking is a user-centric process we are telling. So what is user-centric? We will discuss. So it is an iterative process in which knowledge is constantly being questioned and acquired, so it can help us to redefine a problem in an attempt to identify alternative strategies and solutions. Okay, the same car key nearby இருக்கும் but அப்பாவால் identify பண்ண முடியல, but we have to help him and to identify because of redefine the thinking, rethinking. Okay, to understand the problem and solutions. That is the thing. Okay, so what are the basic points we have to thinking in the thing? Okay, that is it involves multiple systems, problems affecting diverse groups of people, quality of life, issues relating to new technology, addressing rapid changes in society, and etc. we have to tell. Design thinking is a user-centric process. Yes. Now, please see what is the basic definition we have to tell in terms of design thinking. So it is a user-centric process. What is the meaning for user-centric? Girl side, yes, first row, yes, good. Please stand. Suppose if the mobile having lot of applications, okay, so 8 GB RAM, okay, then very good quality, then 32 megapixel as, but the cost is 40,000. Or you buy? Why? Because the cost is high. Okay, but some of them buying for 70,000 or 80,000 mobiles. So depends upon their usage. Yes, usage. The same way for laptop. Okay, so for students purpose the basic model laptop is enough. In case of designer means they need some design softwares. Okay, so for this purpose they are using some higher end of laptops, i7 i5 processors and upgraded memory they are using. Okay, the same way just for data entry purpose in data entry offices they are using basic model laptops, okay, or desktop. So it is a user centric process. What is the meaning for user centric means? If you like to design one product means what about your outcome? அது யார் வாங்க போறாங்க? Users, customers. Okay, so we have to design அவங்கள மனசுல வச்சிட்டு தான் we have to design that one. So this product it goes to whether student or lower end people or higher end designers. Also the same way we have to design. Okay, yes. So what people need and want, the same way what people like or dislike, that is the user centric process. That is the main thing. Okay, so we have to focus innovation on people and design based on what people need and want, the same way what people like or dislike, that is the expectations. Okay, now please see the diagram. Yes, girls from second row, what do you identify from this picture? Yes, anyone? Yes, good. So the first diagram it shows the basic nuts, coffee nuts. Okay, what about the second one? It is powder converted into a coffee powder. Okay, then it shows your coffee. So initially it is up to this only we have to discuss. Okay, yes, good. Yes. Then what about this source? So it indicates your cold coffee. Okay, it indicates your cold coffee. Any other? It is from coffee nuts from boys and girls. Yes. Okay, chocolates. Then cake. It is made from the basic coffee taste. Okay, coffee bite and etc. It is made from the coffee nuts. Okay, so there is no N for any design or any product. Okay, so we have to redesign or rethinking. So on the product level வேற என்ன புதுசா பண்ணலாம்? What is the thing? That is the thing we have to design. So initially it is nuts and coffee. So coffee order we not stop our design. Next we converted into the cold coffee level. Next advanced one, because some users they like for cold coffee. Okay, it's the same for cool drinks. Okay, so இப்போ பாதாம் பால்ல hot இருக்கு, cold is also available. So depends upon user he have to use, depends upon the customer they give the serve. Okay, the same way in coffee also. So what is the next level? Whether it is top up to cold coffee, is there any possible or not? Only the life is ended only from last one. Okay, so next level it may be go for some chocolates and cake and etc and etc. Okay, so after 5 years, okay, what happens we doesn't know. Okay, so the same way, so before 5 years முன்னாடி அப்பா கிட்ட கேட்டா cold coffee ன்னு they lot like that அப்படி ஒன்று வர வாய்ப்பே இல்லைன்னு சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க, but it is available in the market. The same way, okay, so we have to think the design, that is the challenges. This is called as design thinking basically. Yes. Okay, so in design thinking, yes, please see the diagram, diagram 1 and diagram 2. Yes, okay, so just think initially what type of chairs we are using in our home, and now what is the models are available. Okay, even the same company also they change their design one by one. Okay, so normally which company basically we are using, or what are the top models? Yes, generally with the top brand we are knowing that Nilkamal and etc. Okay, so Nilkamal also they are using lot of models, model 1, model 2, model 3 and etc. they are using. Okay, why? So depends upon the aging. Okay, so students means, okay, younger age they are using someone, then older age they are using someone. Okay, appa, okay, tata, okay, then appa. Okay, we have to change the design. Is a balance of thinking. Okay, so listen, design. Okay, so one is very attractive and sophisticated design, but we have to think about the cost also. ஒரு design நல்லா இருக்குங்கிறதுக்காக we go for ஒரு chair வந்து suppose for 5,000 rupees. Is it possible to buy? No. So that is the thing we have to discuss in our subject. Okay, so before enter into the design or before enter into the product means, what are the characteristics, what are the factors we have to consider. Okay, so design is important, good quality is also important, the same way. Okay, money is, cost is also important. So the என்னென்ன factors we have to cover, we will discuss one by one and part. Okay, so that is in design thinking. Now, what are the stages in design thinking process? Yes, from last row please read. Yes, empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. Okay, recall, empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. Okay, now what is empathize? It is nothing but we have to discuss in user point of view with your users. Okay, that is called as empathize. Okay, each and every part we will discuss in the next topic one by one. Plus we will discuss about what is the meaning for each and every one. Define generally. So your users needs, their problem and your insights. Okay, so that is called as define. Next, ideate. By challenging assumptions and creating ideas for innovative solutions. That is for your ideate. Okay, the challenging assumptions and creating ideas. That is for your ideate. Okay, prototype. Yes, already we told. Okay, so before enter into the final product means we have to go for small prototype. Okay, a simple example means as a ECE students, before enter into the one electronic product, we need some simulation softwares. So with the help of that simulation software, we go to identify. So what current consumption, basically, what is the input, what are the design, what are the resistor value, capacitor value. Okay, so because if we make practically product means, if you like to change each and every component is difficult. Okay, cost is also man. Okay, so but in simulation it is easy possible to change the resistor value, capacitor's value or voltage. Okay, so in analysis, basic analysis, the same way one prototype. So before enter into the final design, we need some prototype. Next, test. Okay, testing is the solutions. What are the solutions we are getting for test? Yes. Okay, so these are the 5 stages. We will discuss one by one in the upcoming topics, each and elaborate. Now, basic case study, that is why we go for design thinking. What is the purpose we go for design thinking? So we have to discuss regarding these case studies. So to failures, then to some success stories, we have to discuss one by one. Okay, so basically we need the car ambassador. Okay, but is it available now? So initially chief minister, prime minister, okay, and president, they are using only for ambassador is a VIP car. Now what available? So they move to the next level. Why means that company not adaptable with the latest technologies, latest design. What now available? What they need? Customer point of view, they not design. That is the case. Okay. So next class we will discuss about each and every case study one by one and one by one. We will discuss small analysis now. Then Kodak film. Okay. So in one of the employee available in Kodak also, they like to change into the digital side, but that time that management is not interested to go for the digital side. Okay, they simply like to continue only in analog film. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் ஒரு film roll இருக்கும், அதை develop பண்ணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் photos we have to see. That is called as analog film. Now cameras are available only in digital form. There is no analog camera is available. Okay, so that company is not interested or not take risk to enter into the digital market. So that is also case. So the company becomes a failure one. That is the case for Kodak. Then what about Redbus? Yes, any from boys or girls side? Yes, good. Okay. Now with the help of single website, Redbus website, you can able to book a ticket for any travels. Okay, A1 travels, Sharma travels, Parveen travels. Okay, only the one website is helps to take a book a ticket from different one. Okay, the same way for book my show. Okay, if you go for one theater, suppose if ticket is not available, means go for the next. That is possible in the book my show website. Okay, yes, good. Now, so this is for your assessment side. So just for 1 minute, discuss as a group whatever the diagram 1, diagram 2, 3 is available. So as a design thinking point of view, just give your idea, give your solutions. So what is available? Okay. So what are your expectations? What you idea, what you understand from this diagram, we will discuss. Okay. This is your assessment point of view. Yes. Thank you.